Question 21. I assumed he had already left the office. What does assume mean in this sentence? A. Suppose. B. Prove. C. Ignore. D. Explain. The answer is A. Suppose. Assume means to accept something as true without proof. Question 22. Please dispose of the trash properly after the event. What does dispose mean in this sentence? A. Collect. B. Hide. C. Recycle. D. Throw away. The answer is D. Throw away. Dispose means to get rid of something, especially waste or unwanted items. Question 23. After a short break, the meeting resumed at 3 p.m. What does resume mean in this sentence? A. Cancel. B. Start again. C. Delay. D. Finish. The answer is B. Start again. Resume means to begin something again after a pause or interruption. Question 24. It's important to retain what you've learned for the exam. What does retain mean in this sentence? A. Avoid. B. Replace. C. Keep. D. Reduce. The answer is C. Keep. Retain means to keep or continue to have something. Question 25. You can substitute honey for sugar in this recipe. What does substitute mean in this sentence? A. Replace. B. Increase. C. Remove. D. Divide. The answer is A. Replace. Substitute means to use something instead of another thing. Question 26. We aim to launch the new product by next spring. What does aim mean in this sentence? A. Avoid. B. Explain. C. Delay. D. Plan to do. The answer is D. Plan to do. Aim means to intend or plan to achieve something. Question 27. The new policy aims to eliminate unnecessary paperwork. What does eliminate mean in this sentence? A. Increase. B. Remove. C. Organize. D. Create. The answer is B. Remove. Eliminate means to completely remove or get rid of something. Question 28. Too much sunlight can expose your skin to damage. What does expose mean in this sentence? A. Uncover. B. Protect. C. Ignore. D. Cover. The answer is A. Uncover. Expose means to leave something uncovered or unprotected, often to danger or harm. Question 29. The government decided to impose new taxes on luxury goods. What does impose mean in this sentence? A. Remove. B. Suggest. C. Avoid. D. Force. The answer is D. Force. Impose means to force something to be accepted or put in place, especially rules or laws. Question 30. The engineer carefully inspected the machine for any problems. What does inspect mean in this sentence? A. Ignore. B. Examine. C. Build. D. Move. The answer is B. Examine. Inspect means to look at something carefully to check its condition or find problems. Question 31. The teacher assigned homework to the students before the weekend. What does assign mean in this sentence? A. Cancel. B. Explain. C. Give. D. Ignore. The answer is C. Give. Assign means to give someone a task or responsibility. Question 32. Only the manager can authorize refunds over $100. What does authorize mean in this sentence? A. Approve. B. Delay. C. Ignore. D. Request. The answer is A. Approve. Authorize means to give official permission or approval for something. Question 33. We must conserve water during the dry season. What does conserve mean in this sentence? A. Waste. B. Create. C. Destroy. D. Save. The answer is D. Save. Conserve means to use something carefully so that it is not wasted or lost. Question 34. Check the label to see if the milk has expired. What does expire mean in this sentence? A. Improve. B. End. C. Freeze. D. Deliver. The answer is B. End. Expire means to come to an end, especially for something like a contract or food. Question 35. The report highlights the need for better communication. What does highlight mean in this sentence? A. Emphasize. B. Ignore. C. Hide. D. Reduce. The answer is A. Emphasize. Highlight means to emphasize or draw attention to something important. Question 36. She attributes her success to hard work and determination. What does attribute mean in this sentence? A. Credit. B. Ignore. C. Compare. D. Question. The answer is A. Credit. Attribute means to say that something is the result of a particular cause. Question 37. This chart illustrates the company's growth over 5 years. What does illustrate mean in this sentence? A. Hide. B. Repeat. C. Confuse. D. Show. The answer is D. Show. Illustrate means to explain or make something clear by using examples, pictures, or charts. Question 38. We had to modify the design to make it safer. What does modify mean in this sentence? A. Copy. B. Change. C. Remove. D. Ignore. The answer is B. Change. Modify means to make small changes to something to improve it or make it more suitable. Question 39. The two companies are negotiating a new contract. What does negotiate mean in this sentence? A. Cancel. B. Copy. C. Discuss. D. Avoid. The answer is C. Discuss. Negotiate means to talk with others to reach an agreement. Question 40. They decided to remodel the kitchen to make it more modern. What does remodel mean in this sentence? A. Renovate. B. Ignore. C. Sell. D. Clean. The answer is A. Renovate. Remodel means to change the structure or appearance of something, especially a building. Want more practice? Subscribe now and keep learning English with us.